I got a special treat for you, brand new everything, under $235,000. Let's take a look. Everybody, like I said, brand new everything, and you know I'm a man of my word. We got a beautiful entryway, brand new, beautiful hardwood floors. If I can say the word brand new again, I will. New windows, new paint, new flooring, new ceilings, new kitchens, awesome granite, beautiful cabinets, easy close, plenty of room for entertaining. Super stainless package, brand new windows, excellent mud room. Don't put any mud in this room. All right, take a look outside. Everything is fresh and clean. Everything is done the way you like it. You want a little outdoor space? You like HVAC when it's too hot out? You like central air? You like privacy? Beautiful new siding, beautiful new roofs, beautiful new house. All under $235,000. Let me come this way. Wait, here we go. Look at that beautiful open kitchen into the dining room, into the living room. We got a full, brand new finished basement. Excellent use of space here. You got closets galore. Plenty of sunlight, awesome LED lighting, dual closets, full bath, great for a man cave or a she shack. Space for a washer and dryer. New hot water, new utility room, new HVAC, new electrical system. I'm going to turn the lights, so bear with me. All right, so now let's go check out upstairs. Lovely, beautiful exposed brick wall. All right, when you hit your landing here, 3 more professionally done bedrooms with plenty of space. The rear bedroom here, brand new closet, brand new windows, brand new lighting. You want to change some colors? That might be all you need to do here, even if that. Excellent, large space for a second bedroom, plenty of room for a big family. No expense has been spared here, no stone left unturned, nothing needs to be done. Great full hall bath, second full bath. And now, the large main bedroom. Look at this beautiful sitting area. Tons of space for a king-size bed. TV, dressers, nightstands. What else you need? All right, ladies and gentlemen, no expense has been spared. Now here you have it. You got 3 full bedrooms, full bath upstairs. You got a full finished basement, full bedroom, full bath, brand new everything. You name something here that isn't brand new, and I'm a monkey's uncle. However, you bring your monkeys here too because we got you covered. Now, what is it gonna take to make us a deal today? Under $235, beautiful area, beautiful neighborhood, plenty of parking on street. Give us a call today. Thanks.